In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find drama or show videos on your YouTube Kids app. So if you like to go ahead and select a category that will display dramas or shows on your YouTube Kids app, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your YouTube Kids app, and you can see here I am on my YouTube Kids app. So once you're on this account, you'll notice that currently it is showing all the categories that are available. However, we want to go ahead and filter or only select the show or drama category. To do that, go ahead and look for show, and if you go ahead and tap on it, this will go ahead and list all the drama or show videos that are available on YouTube Kids app. And you can see here we have even the shows in episodes. You can sift through them and then watch them. You can also decide on the length of the video that you want, and each of them will go ahead and play the drama. So that's how you can find shows or drama videos on YouTube Kids app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.